Hey folks, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to talk about a AI tool that can automate your inbound and the outbound calls. And not only that, you can also automate booking meetings, you can send the SMS, and even you can do the any third-party integrations here. So this is the Awaz, and right now it's available on the app Sumo, and this is the tool that is recently listed on the app Sumo. So this is the basically new here, and I will try to explain its features too in the detail. I will try out its all the things that available in the platform and see actually this tool is offering that is mentioned here or not. So first let me talk about its review here. So it can do the cold calling on the phone numbers and the follow up here. It can also do the automations like sending the SMS, sending WhatsApp messages and emails during or after the calls. You can set up that thing. I will show you in the setup. Then you can also transfer the calls to the live agents, and it has the third party integrations using Zapier with the Zoho, Go High Levels, Salesforce kind of the platforms here. So we have the multiple tier plans available, and every tier plan is giving you the lifetime access, but there's a limit. For example, tier 1 is costing just the $49, but here we have only the one agent we can do. We can only connect the one calendar, and the call cost per minute is the 40 cents here. Okay, so what I suggest, go at least with the tier 2 plan here. Now let me give you and try out all the features, and in the end we are talking about actually this tool or the platform worth it or not for your cold calling, for the inbound and the outbound call. So this is how the platforms look like. In the dashboard you will see the how many calls happen, the total cost. It will show you the average duration. Okay, and in the below you can basically see what kind of the calls you got, whether it's the outbound call, the calls done with your AI, or the calls accepted by your AI here. It will show up here. Like first we need to connect our phone number, and for that we have to go to the settings here, and under the settings we will go to the integrations. Okay, and in the integrations you can see this is the phone number showing up that you have connected. So if you have the phone number the 12 or the 10x, you can also just connect the API here. Okay, and if you want to connect the third-party integrations with this API, there's the integrations available that will in the integration section. So let me go to the buy phone numbers here, and if you are going to buy a new number you can also do that using the platform. It will cost you $10 monthly here. Okay, this is the active subscription. Apart from the lifetime deal you need to set up here, but I am going to connect my existing phone number, so I will just connect here, and after that I need to add the country code with the phone number, and after that it will connect my phone number and it will cost me $2 monthly here. Okay, so I have connected these phone numbers for testing out this platform. So actually this thing is pretty easy here. Okay, so once you have done that you have to go to the agents here, and here we are going to create our first agent. Although I have created a agent for testing out, but I'm going to create a new one starting from the scratch to show you the steps. Simply click here on the new, and after that you can see we have the scratch that will help you to create these agents from the scratch, or we can use the template. So we will going to use the templates here. So here we have the template, and it will show you what kind of the stuff it can do for you. For example, this is for the event planning, and this is for the recruitment, this is for the real estate agent, this is the recruitment, and basically these kind of the agents here you can start starting to see, and you can select it here. Okay, so if you didn't find anyone for your specific industry, what I suggest, go on the from the scratch, and here you have to add the name to your agent here. I'm going to make it like this, sales expert. This will explain the specifications for my services I am talking about or the offer. So I have saved here, and now it will just let me set up my AI agent here. So first thing, this is the your agent name, and this is your agent voice. So we have the multiple voices available in the different languages. I can just accept any of these AI voice for my agent here. I can, before just selecting the agent, what I can do, I can also hear them out actually how they sound like. Okay, so I will go one this one here. Okay, so let me play it.
Hi, I'm Andrew, your sturdy.
Okay, this one sounds really good, so I will apply here. And here is the language, which kind of the language you want to apply. It can be your regional, or you can just go with the default one, that is the English. This is the roles here. I'm giving the roles for the sales, customer support. Okay, so this is the two positions I have given this AI agent to be done, and then this is the knowledge base. So in the knowledge base you have to add the stuff on your AI agent will be trained. It can be your website, it can be your PDF recordings or the meetings notes. You can just add them here. So for adding the knowledge base, we have to go to this knowledge base here. So simply let me open up this knowledge base here. Okay, so let me go to knowledge base, and here we will click here on the new knowledge base. For adding the knowledge base, it will ask us the $10 monthly in the subscription, and I think that is really the not kind of the stuff or the value giving, because for just adding the knowledge base we have to pay the $10 every month. I know the phone charges for the credits to going on the calls, but why the knowledge base? So that is the disadvantage I have seen in the platform, because without just setting up my $10 monthly subscription, even though I have just invested in the lifetime deal, I need to pay the $10 month here for just adding the knowledge base. Okay, let me try it out. So whether it's actually asking us the payment or not. So I am subscribing. Yeah, you can see you need an active payment method at your account, checking out the billing sections. So this is the pretty bad here. Okay, I don't want to just set up the payment gateway, because there are so many things. Even if I just click mistakenly, it can just deduct the money from my account, and I know that is not that kind of the good thing. Okay, so we will go to the settings, and here if I go to the billings, you can see I have just in the tier 4 plan. Okay, and this will give you the free $10 credit, although, but here you need to add the balance. If you want to just connecting the phone numbers, that is I can understand, because that is pretty much with the third party, and for the setting up you need the monthly subscription for your phone numbers to use it. I can understand, but for the knowledge base, this is the disadvantage. Okay, so I'm not going to agree with that here. Okay, so if I go to the other things like the agents I have already built, that let me see. So this is the agent I have already bid, and for the $10 I have just set up. Okay, so only for the one time, but I am going to create the new agents, or every time I need to add the train data in the knowledge base, it is asking me the payments, and I'm not agree with that. Okay, so let's see. This is the agent I have already built here, so I am showing you this stuff here. So once you have connected the knowledge base, this is going to appear up here, and this is the company info and the objective. It will start up showing here. Now this is the prompt section where we are going to just customize the prompts. Okay, so this is the prompt, and this is the freestyle. Okay, this is the accents, and this is the variables. Okay, so this is all this stuff showing up. So I'm going to open up the my already designed. This is the my agent I have already designed, and you can see. Okay, so everything is the setup here. Even this is the prompts, this is the accents, this is the variable, and under the accents you can see we have the accents that we can do and use as the automation. So while during the call I can just set up transferring call, I can set up the send SMS, I can set up the scheduling, booking a meeting. Okay, and all the actions that you have selected will start up here. For example, on the call, if customer asks me to book a meeting with them, I can just create this automation. I can select the calendar here, and simply I have to just save this stuff here. And now this booking stuff, whenever a customer wants the appointment, this is the automatically scheduling here. So this is the automations you can build in the actions. Okay, so now let me show you how you can add the customers list with the phone number that you AI agent is going to start calling out. So this is the leads list here. So simply click here on the list name, give it a name. I'm going to give it demo here, save, and now you can just start adding the customers details. You can start adding the list, or importing or exporting the list here. Okay, so you can see I have added only the one person here, but if I want to add, I have to simply click on the add context. If I have the list, I can import, and I can manually add one by one here. This is the campaign section where we are going to set up our campaign. So simply click on the campaign. You have to give the name a campaign here, so I'm going to give it second. This is for the inbound or the outbound here. So I'm going to do the calls from my AI agent, so that's why this will be the inbound. But if you only want to accept the calls from the persons, you can just set up the inbound call. Okay, so I will outbound. Then after that, if you have connected about the phone number, it will, you can select from the here. This is for the AI agent that you have connected. This is the leads you list you have to select from here. And then after that, the how many times daily your AI agent is going to call from them. Okay, you have to just add the number. Then this is the budget. I am going to make it This is the spend daily, and this is going to deduct from the your balance section I have showed you. Okay, so that's why I what I suggest, don't just blindly connect your wallet. Make sure you add them or recharge them manually and save campaign. So your campaign is done. Now it will start calling all of the people in the list. This is the recording. If any of the calls has done, you will see the recordings here. So let me play it out.
Hello, this is Basant.
Okay, so this is how it will sound out. If you want to get more details, you have to simply click here and you will see all this stuff. This is the transcription and this is the analysis for the sentiment. Okay, then this is the calendar. If you have the any meetings done, you can see them in the calendar. So this is the Awaz platform, and pretty much the platform is the amusing. You will get the features that is pretty good to be true, but actually while trying them out you will face the difficulties. The most difficult one, you it will ask you for the so many steps, like connecting the phone number, like adding the knowledge base. That is the most disadvantage. It will ask you to connect the card and just going to charge the balance from you every time you will add a new knowledge base. That is I didn't like, first of all. Then the third, if you are going to start the campaign, it will ask you the daily amount that it will deduct from your wallet here. Okay, and I don't know why they are just giving out the lifetime deal if there is the no things. Like, this is the free trial I am using with the lifetime deal. I cannot just use the premium features at all, even though this platform sounds good, but the features is make you limited here. So I'm not going to give you the that kind of the stuff that you actually buy it and get the value here, because you need to still pay the loads of amount every month for the so many stuff here. So that's why I didn't like it here. And I also didn't tell you that for the call cost per minute is also applicable. For every time your AI agent is going to done a outbound call, it will cost you the balance here that still is going to be deducted from your wallet here. For example, if I to go to the billing here, you can see the balance wallet here. Every time this will be deducted from this one. So basically, except for setting up the this platform or exploring this platform, it will charge you for everything here. So I'm not going to say that just buy it and get the value to this money. So if you still want to try this out, this platform, the link is given in the description. And I hope you just liked my this honest review of the Awaz platform lifetime deal. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.